Hello guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are going to be making stew, and if today is your first time coming in, please don't forget to subscribe and press the notification bell. Thank you for coming. And these are the ingredients we need: pepper, onions, Maggi cube, pomo, and beef, and so on and so forth. So we're going to make this delicious. Please guys, try this out, and when you do, don't forget to leave comments on the comment below. Thank you. And please don't forget to share with your friends, also share with your neighbor, share on Facebook. Thank you so much. So I'm going to be blending the tomatoes, everything.